Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present about our assignment of building utilities. Okay, my name is Muhammad AMIRUL bin Muhammad ARIFFIN, and my other group member is FARHAN bin MURNI, and then Muhammad ALWI bin Muhammad Ali. Okay, today we are going to present this assignment. Next. Okay, this is the content that in this presentation today. First, the introduction, and second is a problem statement, and third is objective, fourth is methodology, fifth market survey, sixth project management, seven capital investment, and lastly the conclusion. Next. Okay, for the introductions, okay, for the purpose of this project is to provide an overview of Sekolah Kembazaan Section 24. One of the school is in Selangor. Okay, the primary goal is to assess the upkeep of building utilities in the school immediate vicinity as well as within the school itself. Block A, Block B, Block C, Block D, and Block E are the 5 blocks that make up the school in general. Electrical, plumbing, and drainage system service the classroom, teacher rooms, and labs as well as their surrounds. The school has been open since April 1, 2003. However, the system that serves all the school's building is inefficient. So this is because the unmaintained electrical systems, outdated plumbing, and also ad hoc water drainage. Okay, next. Okay, this is the problem statements. Okay, Encik Azman bin Muhammad Aris is the school principal and also the man who is in charge of the school maintenance was interviewed. According to the person in charge, the school outdated electrical system is not working at peak efficiency and all pipe system need to be replaced, followed by a new drainage systems. The system was occasionally unable to operate according to the original specifications. Based on the interview, it can be concluded that more study is needed to analyze the operation of the electrical system, fix the piping system, and also install a drainage system to easily separate water across all floors. The outcome will be crucial for the entire school in terms of determining the degree of performance required by the systems. Next. Okay, for the objective for this project is first, we want to get a better performance on electrical systems and also to get a good piping system, and lastly to change the drainage systems to get a better performance. Next. Okay, now is FARHAN.
Okay. For the methodology, for the first problem is circuit breaker keeps tripping. If the circuit breaker continually tripping, there is a good possibility that there is a problem with the current circuit. Circuit breakers receive their name from the fact that they break up circuits when they detect a problem with the flow of current. What you need to do is look at your school main electrical panel. It will notice a switch panel which is switch turned off and partially off. All must do now is flip the switch back on and done. If the problem persists, you may need to contact an electrician. Okay, the second problem is a leaking or for the piping. Now remaining water is water that is lost due to leakage, waste, or simple thief and does not generate profit for the water supply because it is never delivered to the intended customer or student. Because most water pipes are underground, detecting leak is challenging. High water pressure hastens the deterioration of pipes. As water flows through pipeline at high rate, the change of them exploding increase. The sudden change in water flow direction can be too much for your pipe, in resulting in leaks. What you need to do is locate your school main electrical panel. Okay, sorry. For the last methodology is blockage. School drains are just susceptible to obstruction as commercial and residential drains. Drains can quickly become clogged when wet wipes, folded out toilet paper, leaf, food packaging, cosmetic waste, and human waste are attempted to be disposed of. Netting systems are available in a range of size and can be put in line or at the end of pipe for a variety of use. Regular maintenance also the solution to this problem. Some situation some situation cannot be predicted or avoided, but regular maintenance can dramatically minimize the likelihood of problem developing. As for methodology in this topic. Okay, for the market survey is a market research and analysis of the market for particular product. Market survey are tools to directly collect feedback from the target audience to understand their characteristics, expectation, and requirement. The study of various customer capabilities such as investment attribute and buying potential. Jadi, there are items that we could buy to take the methodology. We have PVC pipe. You can see for it quantity is 28. By result is Shopee and PVC pipe joint, water signal device, high density polyethylene netting.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, for the project management. Project management timeline in this project, in this school building. First, we write a project scope statement in school problem. Second, create a work breakdown structure during period of problem statement, WBS. And third, break each work package into tasks. 4. Determine project dependencies. Okay, the 4, determine total time needed for each task. Then identify resource availability. Identify important milestones. Then lastly, build project management timeline to complete the school problem. Okay, next. Okay, this is Gantt chart for our team. Our team. Okay, this Gantt chart for this is day 1 until day 6. Okay, as you can see, in day 1, we doing a research and solving the problem. And for the drainage system, we are going to go from second day to fourth day. And the piping system from second day, third day, and fifth day. As you can see, this color. Okay, next. Okay, capital investment. Okay, capital investment especially refers to the money into a firm to help it achieve its goals. Additionally, the individual might receive an income or recoup their invested cash from the company's revenues over time. Okay, as you can see, our project for for the PVC pipe, the total cost is only about for 70 ringgit. And for the net profit that we will get is about 3 ringgit 50 sen. Okay. Uh, PVC pipe joint, total cost for about 250, and the net profit is 37.58. And the high density polyethylene netting, the total cost is about 100 ringgit, and the net profit is about 10 ringgit. Water signal device, it's a very expensive device, which is the price is 3,880 sen. Okay, for the net profit for this total cost is about 760 ringgit. Okay, for the total cost that we do, the company's revenue that companies do, for the total it's about 4,221.30. Okay. For the net profit, we got the total For about 811.24 sen. Okay, next. Okay, this is our our calculation for the capital investment. As you can see, the net profit investment time 100%, we will get the percentage of the net percentage of ROI. Okay, ROI. Okay, the payback period represents the number of years it takes to pay the initial investment of a capital project from the cash flow that the project produce. The capital project could involve buying a new plant or building or buying a new or replacement piece of equipment. Okay, requirement payback period for about 3 years. Initial investment for about 4,221. Okay. As you can see, after we calculate this, we got for about 1.19 years. 1.19 years for payback period. Okay, next. Okay, this is our calculation. After we calculate all of this, we find the future value FV, which is future value of project, which is for about 76,199 76,199 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, next.
Okay. Lastly is the conclusions. In summary, the objective of this project's proposal are to improve company building utilities by implementing the methodology adjustments. Next, also be able to reduce water and power bill because of the step made in response to the concerns discovered during the inspections, and market analysis based on the problem to discover prospective appliance that we bought energy efficient and had a standard value that was approached for the right location has been studied in this project. And lastly, after the performing a market analysis, the proposed appliance was chosen and the total cost established is within the company budget is restrictions. Okay, next. Okay, thank you. That's all from us. Uh,
Thank you.
thank you
Thank you.
and goodbye.
Assalamualaikum.